Hello guys, this is my first video tutorial on this channel, Blade Programming, and today I'm going to show you how to install JDK and Eclipse for Java development on Windows 10. Among the most popular Java IDE, we have Eclipse, IntelliJ, IDEA, and NetBeans, but for our tutorial we will be using Eclipse. So click on Eclipse, then we go to Eclipse download. Here you will get your byte. Mine is 64 byte. So download it. Click on download and download. Then you need to download the JDK. In the section Java SE Development Kit 8U201, you accept the license and then you download for 64-bit. So we will wait for it to be downloaded. Then we will install it on our PC. You need to install the JDK first before the Eclipse. Else you will have an error when you will install Eclipse. Next. Next. Then we wait for it. So if the JDK has successfully installed, you will get this, that is, it has successfully installed. Then you can check the tutorials by clicking on the next step, but for now we will click on close. So we'll double click on Eclipse installer to open it. Then we select Eclipse IDE for Java developer. We can select our installation path, so we will let it by default. Install. Accept now. Accept. If you hover on the installation, you will see the installation step. Accept selected. So now we will click on launch. We can close the installer. You can change the workspace, but I will let it Eclipse workspace. I will let it as default. So we will launch it. Continue. Loading workbench. So we'll wait for it to open. You will get this window and you go to the SRC and new clause to add a clause. The name of the clause, you can let the package to be as it is, and the name of the clause you can put it tutorial, and select the main. So it will display the main. When you click on the main, it will display finish. Okay. So this is your class. To print hello world, you can write system dot out dot print line hello world. Then we can launch it. Here it is, our first Java application. The output is in the console. So congratulations, you have successfully downloaded and installed your JDK and Eclipse, and also you have successfully created your first project as well. If this video tutorial has helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.